Draco. This video will cover the steps for how to install your TriRide 3-in-1 car seat rear-facing with the vehicle seatbelt. First, store your tether strap at the hook on the back of the car seat. Make sure that your lower anchor strap is stored by attaching it to the hooks on either side of the car seat. Adjust the recline to one of the 3 rear-facing recline positions. If you need to adjust the recline, use the handle at the front of the seat. Place the car seat rear-facing in your vehicle. Ensure that the base of the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat, and make sure that at least 80% of the car seat is on the vehicle seat. While installing, make sure that your vehicle is on level ground. Check the level indicator to ensure the ball is in the correct blue zone based on your child's age. If the ball is not in the correct blue zone, adjust the recline and then recheck the level indicator. Next, we're going to remove the infant inserts to keep them out of the way while we're installing. Check your car seat manual for instructions on when to use your infant inserts. You can move your seat pad out of the way so that you can more easily access the rear-facing belt path while installing. Unsnap the seat pad at the top, then lift the seat pad and push the buckle through, and just tuck out of the way. Route your vehicle seatbelt through the rear-facing belt path marked with the blue label. If the buckle is in the closest position, route the seatbelt in front of the buckle. If the buckle is in the further out position, route the seatbelt behind the buckle. Here you can see the blue label that marks the rear-facing belt path. Once your seatbelt is routed through the rear-facing belt path, buckle the seatbelt in. Once buckled, make sure that your vehicle seatbelt lies flat and is not twisted. Lock your vehicle seatbelt. In most vehicles today, you can take the vehicle seatbelt and slowly pull it all the way out. Once it's at the longest position, slowly feed it back in, and you should hear a clicking noise, meaning it is locked into place. Press down on the center of the seat and pull on the seatbelt to tighten. Once tightened, check for tightness at the rear-facing belt path. You want to move the seat side to side and front to back to ensure it does not move more than 1 inch. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, continue to tighten the vehicle seatbelt. Recheck your level indicator to ensure the ball is still in the correct blue zone based on your child's age. Place the seat pad back into place. Make sure you route the buckle through the seat pad and line it up with the slot that is being used on the car seat. Place your harness straps in front of the seat pad and snap your seat pad back into place. Place the headrest flap down and place the harness straps in front of the seat pad. Attach the snaps by the cup holder. Now you're ready for baby. Now that your seat is installed, you're ready to buckle your child in. You want to check for proper harness height. When in rear-facing mode, the harness straps should be at or just below your child's shoulders. If you need to adjust the harness straps, do so using the lever at the top of the seat. Then connect the buckle and connect the chest clip. Tighten the harness using the strap at the front of the seat. After tightening, move the chest clip up to armpit level. Do the pinch test. You should not be able to pinch any extra slack at your child's shoulders.